Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are a return subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I use in this video will be listed down below, so feel free to check that out at any time. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video. Let's get straight into it. So for today, I decided I wanted a cute yellow bold look. So what I'm doing now is just packing that color on so that it really shows through. And then I took a different yellow from a whole nother palette to blend out the edges. That way everything is nicely blended, but still bold enough that the yellow shows through. If you ever want certain colors to stand out and be more vibrant, you want to use a white concealer as your base before going in with any type of eyeshadow. And for that outer corner, I really wanted that yellow to show up a little more. So what I'm doing now is just building it up a little bit more as well as blending out. And I'll just use the same brush for both shades. Since I didn't want this to be just a yellow eye, I decided to go in and do a cut crease. And as you can see, I'm not doing the cut crease like I normally would with the guide method. I'm just going along the lines of my natural crease area. And I did apply a little bit of that concealer above that because I really wanted it to show through, but not show through all the way, if that makes sense. And I'm just checking in the mirror to make sure that the placement of that concealer is exactly where I wanted it before filling in the rest of the concealer. And I'm just tapping in that concealer to dry it down a little bit. You can set this with translucent powder if you like, but for this particular look, I did not want to use any type of translucent powder. Now I'm just going in with some white eyeshadow. And again, I am going to build this up as well. You also can use that white concealer right here for the cut crease before going in with your white translucent powder. And I'm just going to continue to build it up until I'm satisfied with how everything looked. And of course, I am going to blend out the edges a little bit as well, just to make sure that everything is nicely blended. And as you can see, I'm just packing it on, making sure that every inch of that concealer is covered. And I am in love with this. I know I say that quite a bit on my videos, but for some reason, this yellow is everything right now. And I just took a little bit of that yellow and blended towards the white just a little bit. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and I'm just going to let you watch this part because it kind of speaks for itself. And while I was doing my eyeliner, I noticed that the white part was missing in certain areas some eyeshadow. So I'm just going in and applying a little more of that eyeshadow in those areas before finishing up the eyeliner. I'm also going to blend out that yellow a little more because I feel like it's not blended enough. When it comes to eyeshadow, blending is your best friend. I cannot stress that enough. Now that that's done, I'm going to finish the same steps on this side. Now it's time for the face, and since I always do the same steps when it comes to my face, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to also drop a like and a comment down below. And if you've done this eye look, no matter what colors eyeshadows you've done, comment down below and let me know so I can go ahead and check those videos out. I would love to hear and see some of you guys' work. Also, everything that I used in this video is listed down below, so feel free to check that out. And I will have more videos coming to you soon. This week coming up is my birthday week, so videos will not be coming out as much as I want them to as I prepare for that, as well as my vacation. I do have a pack with me video that is coming out very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day.